Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the torch kit for a bakery. My wife tried to make the creme brulee for the dessert, so we're going to unbox this and see what this looks like. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So I think she buy more stuff. So this is the torch kit. Let's go ahead and open this one first. It's a kitchen torch. It's go up to 1300 degrees Celsius or 2500 degree Fahrenheit. And it uses butane power. It has a piezo ignition. And then that's the model number BS-401. And it has an automatic ignition butane power pro torch. And here's some of the warning. So 1300 degree is going to give you a blue flame. So there's a safety lock ignition button, and then a gas regulator leveler. And this is made in China. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. And come with a free brush. And then there are a couple of these adapters. There are two different type of butane with a different nozzle for your can. And then this is the adapter. And this is where you fill your butane on the bottom right here. Actually, it's pretty nice. You've got the nice grip. Here's a leveler right here. You got the minus and then a plus. So you turn left for on and turn right to turn it off. And then this is where you to ignite. Oh, but you gotta turn it on first. So this is like a trigger button to ignite the butane, the flame. It says this product only works with the butane gas, which has a long nozzle for inflation. Do not unscrew the inflation valve in the torch base when inflating. So as you can see, there are different type of butane. And here's the instruction manual right here. And then an instruction on how to fill it up. So she purchased a set of 6 of this porcelain remakings. It says durable and versatile. So you have a 4-ounce half cup capacity, and then 3.75 diameter, oven up to 400 degree Fahrenheit, microwave, freezer, and then dishwasher safe, full glaze inside and out, no food odor, colors, or flavor are absorbed. Here's the item number right here, and this is made in China. And here's the barcode number. Let's go and then open this up. And this styrofoam to protect it. So yeah, it's pretty durable and sturdy. So, and you have 6 of this. And I'm not sure what's this one, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it says right here. It says honey pot, and it is made in China. Wow, look at that. And this is glass. Wow, pretty good quality. But the problem is I gotta be careful because this might be easy to crack if you're not careful. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.